Hello there, modern man. Well, today's episode, let's talk about penis boot camp. A boot camp definition is a rigorous, intensive program that is modeled after rigorous discipline so that way you can achieve a result. So, penis boot camp. Are you ready for this? I'm Dr. Truong. I've treated over 7,000 men with ED. And I have figured out a way now that you can do a penis boot camp that will revive that penis and rejuvenate it and get it ready to have erection again. Okay? So when you have ED, it's like you haven't gone to the gym in about a year. Your muscles are not strong, they're weak, they fatigue easily, and sometimes they even shrink. And so when you're getting ready to the gym, you're not going to go in there and try to lift high weight. You're going in there and start slowly and work your way up and do low weight and then increase your repetition. So the same thing about penis boot camp, but I'm going to set it up for you in a very systematic manner that you can start doing penis boot camp right now. So the equipment that you're going to need is the penis pump. You're going to need to get your nitric oxide, and you're going to need the Kegel exerciser machine, like this one here with the pad, and also the red light wrap as well. This is going to go around a cylinder like this. It's going to go around the cylinder like this. Let me see if I can wrap it around. And so you all know about how I feel about using the penis pump. So if you use the penis pump, it's your penis exerciser. You wrap the red light and cylinder like this, and then you would pump. When you're pumping, you put the penis in, you pump, and you want to go no more than 10 millimeter of mercury on the gauge here. Leave your penis in here for 10 minutes while it's erect. Then when you're done, you decompress, and that is it. Now you can still leave the cylinder in there with the infrared wrap for another 10 minutes for a total of 20 minutes if you want. But the reason why this is powerful because a penis pump will actually bring in blood to the penis to give you an erection. And it's the feeling what an erection is about. But also check out my other videos on either this side right here, how to use the penis pump. Infrared light, what it does is also bring in more blood flow as well. And it's also help with inflammation and healing. So that, and then prior to you doing the infrared light and the penis pumping, you want to take the nitric oxide. This is made from arugula. The reason why it's made from arugula is because even if you're older than 45 and you don't have the enzyme in your body to convert, like let's say beet into nitric oxide, you take this as arugula. When you take it, it goes straight to your bloodstream, becomes nitric oxide. It doesn't matter about the conversion in your mouth or the conversion in your stomach. It is nitric oxide that goes straight to your system. All right, you take 2 of this nitric oxide, again, open up blood vessels, bring in more blood to your penis. It also open up more blood vessels in the penis itself as well. It works something very similar to Viagra. Think of this arugula nitric oxide as your Viagra, and you can get the whole package of the nitric oxide, the infrared wrap, and the penis pump, and the exerciser. This is the Kegel exerciser, okay? What it does, I know it looks a little bit weird. Let me get my penis. It looks a little bit weird. What it is that this is a gel electrode, and you would put this underneath the scrotum here. And I know this is the model, but we would fold it up and modify it for a man. And what it does is stimulate. I'll do it like this. So it kind of goes on similar like this for a man. What it does is that the electrodes here, when it's hooked up to this machine here, it stimulates contraction. So when it stimulates contraction, it's like you doing the exercise, but the machine is doing it for you. So then you will hook it up to the machine right here, and you will turn it up. And once you turn it up you'll see bars that will light up. And then you want to go slowly to the maximal bars here. And of course, I didn't charge mine. And so it's not lighting up. But you will press these two, then you will increase the positive light. And then you will want to go up to the highest intensity that you can tolerate. And this, you want to put it like this, and you want to leave it in there for 20 minutes. So you can do the penis pump first with the infrared light, and then do this after for another 20 minutes. And this is like doing Kegel, but instead of doing Kegel, and I know how hard that can be, now the machine is doing the Kegel for you. So you can do thousands of Kegels in 20 minutes versus trying to do it yourself. And you do this every day for 6 weeks. And I recommend you do the penis pump with wrap every day for 10 minutes. And then every day before you pump, you take your nitric oxide here as well. So this whole package here, the Kegel exerciser, penis pump, and red light, your penis boot camp is trying to achieve more blood flow into the penis, more oxygenation, preventing shrinkage to penis, and also exercising the penis to get more endurance so it can perform. And also, the reason why you want this Kegel exerciser, because pelvic muscles, the two pelvic muscles that you have, very, very important to keep the blood in there, because those pelvic muscles go to the base and wrap around the base of the penis and keeping the blood in the penis, so that way it will stay firm. So all of this all work together synergistically in working the pelvic muscle, working on the shaft of the muscle, and also increasing blood flow with nitric oxide, treating the root cause of the problem. So I call this whole package here, penis pump and red light wrap, the Kegel exerciser, and nitric oxide, the very hard bundle. So check out this link right here, the very hard bundle at this link to get it, because it has everything that you will need to do your penis boot camp, to get out of ED, to get your body and your penis get ready for performance. Think of it like training. You go into the gym and you're training. As long as you stay consistent every day for 6 weeks, and after that, maybe you can do about maintenance at 3 times a week, is really the best recommendation at this time. Check out the link for the very hard bundle. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. And just know that this is treatment for ED, treating the root cause of ED. It's just making it easier for you to consistently do every day. Require probably about 30 to 40 minutes of your time. It doesn't matter whether you do it in the morning or at night, to do it once a day, and you will see result after 6 weeks. Now imagine if you add this on with the Mediterranean diet. Check the link below, and also take it with your Good Morning Wood smoothie, and adding exercise, 30 minutes of walking 4 times a week. It's just all going to be additive. Each one of it is going to be additive to another to really boost your performance again. And it's all going to help. You know, guys, it's almost the end of the year. I want you to start out 2026 with a bang and with a plan, with a roadmap. Follow this roadmap. Follow the very hard bundle roadmap at this point. All right. Just know, my man, you are not alone. I have a plan for you. Just follow the plan. We'll be here to support you all the way. You can check out the bundle at ednomore.com or at the link down below right here to get the equipment that you need to start getting your way back to performing again and say bye-bye to ED. I'll see you in the next episode. Okay, modern man, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your term. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.